Hi, this is Ross with Horizon Web Marketing, and this is a quick tutorial video to show you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account in order to give them access to the account. So here you'll see this is a demo Google Analytics account, and I'm assuming at this point that you know how to log yourself into Google Analytics, and if you do, then you normally are given this dashboard or one that looks similar to it. And now you have an opportunity to add a user, and we often will make a request of clients that we work with that they give us access to their Google Analytics account so that we can either manage it or do diagnostics on their site. So you go down to the lower left here where it says admin, click on that. You'll be given this panel here, and Google allows you to change things that have to do with your account, your property, or your view. Now, you don't need to understand what those three things are in order to do this process. So all you need to do is go to the account level, which is normally where we need to have access. Click on User Management. It'll show you what users are already granted access to this particular account. And then you'll notice up here at the top right, there's a little blue or a white plus and a blue circle. You click on that, and then we're going to click on Add New Users. Then you need to be able to do an email address that is a valid email address. So in this case, I'm going to say Ross at Horizon Web Marketing. Then you have the chance to leave this by default. It's checked, and that is to notify new users by email. But if the person that you're adding doesn't need to get an email, you can just go ahead and untick that. And then you also have a chance here to be able to enable certain levels of permissions. Now, normally when we ask for access to account, we want to have all permissions at least above the line here. Now, to give full permissions, you would also need to tick this box here that says Manage Users. And normally, if you want somebody to be able to add other users to your Google Analytics account, you're going to have to tick that box. With respect to, for example, giving access to an SEO agency, typically they're going to want to have access to these three, and if you tick the top box here, it's going to by default enable the other two. So at this point, we are done with our job, and now that new user is going to appear, and here I am, Ross at Horizon Web Marketing, and then you'll be able to see what the various levels of permissions are under the permissions column. And once you're done, so all you have to do is exit out. You can go back to the home screen of your Google Analytics property, and you're done. I hope this has been useful.